Hey guys. Well, a few bloody fingers and an hour and 30 minutes, and I've got it all out. The rat's nest shall not overcome. Ended up getting it all out. You can see very clearly the number one turbo was blowing a lot of oil, so much so that it was leaking into the exhaust port there. The number one turbo was definitely leaking. So I'm going to either go with some GTX new turbos that will actually fit into this cover, or I'm going to be rebuilding my current turbos, which are right there. And yeah, you guys will be getting an update shortly when I figure out what I'm going to do. I'd like to thank everyone on Supra forums, especially Ken Henderson, for helping me, I don't know, figure out which way I'm going to go. And it looks like I might go with the GTX 2971R. It's got 4-inch, so I'm going to have to move this stuff here and put these down below on the bottom of the pipe. But otherwise, there won't really be, it doesn't look like there's going to be too many more modifications necessary to make those fit in here. So I got my water lines all capped off here with, this is my oil feed. I got my water lines capped off with 6AN plugs, and yeah, we can go from there. Give you guys an update soon. Thanks for watching.